Hello everyone and welcome to another chapter of Master In. My name is Rodrigo Garcia and today we will learn how to make this intro with objects and photographs creating the rotation effect. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's begin. The first thing we will do is insert a shape. You can choose the desired shape. I will choose a rectangle with rounded corners. We place the shape, adjust the size, duplicate the shape until it covers the work area. The shapes should extend beyond the work area. Once we have inserted the shapes, we select a shape, and we will change the fill to a photograph. In this example, I will use stock photos. When inserting the photograph, it can be deformed, so it will be necessary to adjust the size of the shape to maintain an adequate proportion of the photograph. We will repeat the process with all the shapes in our first slide. Once we have replaced the fill with photos, we will duplicate the slide. Select all the shapes of the new slide and rotate them. To rotate them, we navigate to the Shape Format menu, then Rotate, Horizontal Rotation. After duplicating rotating the images, we will repeat the process, replacing the fill of each shape with a new photo. If necessary, adjust the size of the shape to maintain the proportion of the photo. Once we have finished replacing the photos on the second slide, we duplicate the second slide and repeat the process of rotating the images, replacing the photos, and so on, as many times as necessary. Once we have created all the slides and photos that we will use for our animation, we will place the logo of the company, the theme, or the title that we need. We will place it in the desired position and we will duplicate this last slide. We will return to the penultimate slide. We will lengthen the recently added logo and we will remove the fill of the image, making it transparent. We will click with the right mouse button on the logo. We will select Format Picture. From the side menu, we will select the picture option and we will increase the transparency to 100%. The next step will be to add the morph transition effect. Adjust the duration to 50 milliseconds and adjust the transition time to 99 milliseconds. We will apply this effect to all the slides. Let's play the animation and see the result. Amazing! The transition is smooth and fluid. If it is necessary to reposition the shapes on each slide, we can do so by selecting the images that we need to be in front of each slide, creating the effect of overlapping between the images. To process this effect, we must select the desired pictures, navigate to the Shape Format menu, Display, Bring Forward menu, and Bring to Front. When playing the presentation, we can see the effect of this change. One last thing. This flip card effect doesn't work with images, as in the following slides, I inserted images, even applied the morph transition. The images fade in and out when transitioning between slides. That's all for this class. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This helps me to continue creating content for you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.